Wait for a few minutes. Some people are joining. Okay, we have to give them just at least a 5 minutes time. Okay, let us give some time for them. Okay. So now you can't unmute. Okay, if you want to do anything, chat with me. Ajay joined. How many joined? Chat with me. How many are there? Go to participants and chat with me. And in the case of more, in more you will get chat box. How many joined? Anybody? Vineet? Okay, good. Few minutes wait, please. Okay, 20 members joined. 20 minus 2, 19 members. Okay, good. Okay, Ajay, Balaji, Charan, Mahesh, Lakpati, Malesh, Prudvi, Puneet, GSN, Rajendra, Rohan, Socket, Srujan, Swagat, Varshit, Vineet, Vinil. Better from tomorrow onwards, please join with your portrait. Profile pic. Me profile pic పెట్టుకోండి. I have to identify you. See myself, TVR botany lecture NEET coaching and with photo. Okay. So please try to join with your profile pic, please. I'm requesting you. Okay. First thing. Purpose I have to identify you. That's why. Okay. So identification is important or not? Banu Prakash joined. Twenty-three. Okay, we'll start. So before this one, we completed a prokaryotic cell. There we studied cell wall, plasma membrane, protoplasm, and other inclusions present there. Okay, so now it is the time to complete what are the basic characteristics of yeah, okay. If I am there, you can't visualize the board. Okay, I'm here, no problem. Right? Board is essential. Board visible or not? Okay, right? So what about characteristics of eukaryotic cells? Before moving into characteristics of eukaryotic cell, we have to know what are the examples of eukaryotic organisms. So what are the examples? In your textbook, first given one is Protista. Protists, we will see what are they one by one. Okay, so Protista, Plantae or plants I'm writing. Plants, next animals, and fungi. Okay, so you can write algae also. So many are there. Plantae means so many are there. Algae, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperms, Angiosperms, like that. So in your textbook, first line, protists, plants, animals, fungi were given. So all these are eukaryotes. So one by one, briefly I will discuss what about protist, plantae, animalia, one by one. So actually, we have to study the general characteristics of protista, plants, animals, and fungi within biological classification. If you open the textbook while I'm teaching, please open the textbook. Okay, so if you open the textbook, you will get where I am. So under the heading biological classification, go to the I think 19th page or like that. Their biological classification was given. So within biological classification, have to study protista, plants, animals, fungi, like that. Their extensive information was given, complete information was given. Okay, are you getting my voice? Chart with me, please. Anybody, please chart with me. Yes, thank you. Okay, so what about protist? I will give you brief points about protista. What about protista? First one. So what are protista? Protista is a eukaryotic plant, eukaryotic group. It is a group. So it is characterized by unicellular eukaryotes. Unicellular eukaryotes. And we will study characteristics there only. I will give you a few examples for protista. Best example known to you, Euglena. Euglena is well known to you. Euglena, amoeba. Okay, one more. You can write paramecium. Okay, so these are examples for protista. Okay, next, what about the second one given your textbook? Plants. What are plants? Algae. In Telugu, we use Nachu, Pakudu in Telugu. Green mat attached to the so-called cemented vessel containing water exposed to sunlight. Green mat. Algal members. Nachu antam manam. Algae. Okay, algal members. These are one type of plant groups. Plants. Algae, bryophytes. Just I am giving examples only. Bryophytes, pteridophytes, pteridophytes. Okay, next gymnosperms. Gymnosperms and angiosperms. Gymnosperms and angiosperms. So we will study characteristics of all these under the heading biological classification only. Don't worry about characteristics of all these. Okay, right? Angiosperms. So these are examples for plants. Animals, well known to you. Okay, next fungi. So what are the fungi? Fungi are achlorophyllus, heterotrophic, organisms. Example, best example I am giving, yeast. Okay. Mucor, I think mucor is well known to you. Rhizopus mucor. Leave it, don't worry. Yeast. Okay, so all these are eukaryotes. Okay, so now what about introduction part given in your textbook under the heading eukaryotic cell? First statement given one. eukaryotic cell with extensive compartmentalization. Unlike prokaryotic cell. Extensive compartmentalization means, yes, what happened? Anything? Puneet, GSM, you can chat with me. What happened? Puneet, GSM, any objection? Do you have any doubt? Yes. What happened? Chat with me, no problem. Achlorophyllus. Chlorophyllus with chlorophyll. A refers to absence. Achlorophyllus without chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is completely absent. So heterotroph depends on other organisms. Yeah, I'll come back to that one. Extensive, we'll see. What is that extensive compartmentalization? So what is that extensive compartmentalization? Means because of membrane bounded cell organelles. Okay, for example, so this is an eukaryotic cell. For example, only eukaryotic cell. Okay, that eukaryotic cell is having a number of compartments. What are those compartments? Now it looks like a single compartment, one chamber. Okay, but what about this one? For example, this one, vacuole. For example, here I'm taking plant cell, for example. So this is a vacuole. Vacuole is a single membrane bonded cell organelle present at the center of the plant cell. Okay, for example, here I'm taking a plant cell. Okay, this is one compartment. And a nucleus compartment. This is nucleus. N I'm writing nucleus. N is nucleus. Okay, that is compartment of nucleus. Okay, next compartment, chloroplast. This is one compartment, chloroplast. Here I'm writing C, chloroplast. Okay, next mitochondria, mitochondrion. For example, this one is mitochondrion. Mitochondria. Next, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Here you can take. It is a reticulum. ER. Endoplasmic reticulum. Next, Golgi complex. Here I'm taking. This is a Golgi complex. Like that, so many cell organelles are present or not. Within eukaryotic cell, cytoplasm is divided into a number of compartments. For example, in a family, okay, parents, 2 members, and kids, for example, on kids, 10 members, and they got married. So total number of members and number of couples, 1 plus 10, 11. 11 into 2, 22 members living in one house only, for example. Only one house with one room. Only one house with one room. So in that family, compartmentation is less. Now all divided into 11 families. Family 1, 2, 3, 4, 11 families. Compartment 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So here, this is one compartment. Next compartment, like that. Cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell is extensively divided into a number of compartments. Each compartment is represented by a particular cell organelle, whatever the type of cell organelle, some cell organelle. Unlike eukaryotic cell or not, within the eukaryotic, within the prokaryotic cell. For example, here I'm taking prokaryotic cell. This is prokaryotic cell, for example. This is a bacterial cell, prokaryotic cell. Within the prokaryotic cell, compartmentation is very less. Reason? Membrane bounded cell organelles are absent. Single compartment only. Just a single membrane bounded compartment, plasma membrane. But here, many compartments are present. It is not single membrane bounded. But this one is single membrane bounded. Only one membrane is present. But what about eukaryotic cell? A number of compartments are present. A number of compartments. Okay, right? So here within this prokaryotic cell, you can write less compartmentalization, least compartmentalization, least for example, bus, RTC bus, for example, how many compartments? One only. Train, compartment 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 30, many compartments. Okay, so here highest rate of division of labor. Division of labor is present. For example, what is that division of labor? Chloroplast concerned with photosynthesis. Okay, mitochondria respiration, Golgi complex synthesis of various materials, cell wall, proteins like that. Endoplasmic reticulum, protein synthesis, lipid synthesis. Nucleus, regulation of all activities which are taking place within the protoplasm. So like that, a number of functions which are possible within the cytoplasm are taking place in the individual cell organelles. So eukaryotic cells with the highest division of labor. So within the cytoplasm, eukaryotic cells with the highest division of labor. Division of labor means, what is labor? Labor means work, not poor. Labor means work here. Biologically, division of labor means work is shared by. Okay, right? So division of labor means work is shared by a number of cell organelles. Okay, yeah, vacuole. I'll come back to you, please. Within the prokaryotic cell, all events are taking place within the protoplasm. Is there any membrane bounded cell organelle except gas vacuoles? No, all the events are taking place within the cytoplasm. And what about the role of vacuoles? Some people are asking. It is a storehouse. Storehouse. Is there any plant having excretory system? No. Is there any plant having excretory system? Is it able to excrete out digested food material? No. So excretion is completely absent in plants. So that's why all waste materials are reserved within the vacuole. That is one type of dustbin. Don't write like this, dustbin. Okay. Yeah, Golgi complex is a type of cell organelle. We will see all these. Wait, I will explain each and every cell organelle. Please wait. If you go ahead, if you look into next page, third page onwards, you will get all these things. Please wait. I will explain each and every statement. Just we are within second line only. Still we are within second line. Are you observing NCERT textbook? If you don't have NCERT textbook already, a chapter, complete chapter of NCERT textbook, that is a cell structure, cell, the unit of life, forwarded to your WhatsApp, available in WhatsApp ID. Please open that one and look into that one. You'll get it. Okay. So just we discussed two lines. Yes. No. Prokaryotes are not having Golgi complex. Membrane bounded cell organelles are absent. What are the membrane bounded cell organelles? Chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, vacuole, absent in prokaryotic cells. They are restricted to eukaryotic cell only. Okay. Now take the screenshot. Take the screenshot, please. Now you can take the screenshot. Take the screenshot, please. Just do like this or follow your own method. Take the screenshot and copy it later. If you copy now, it will take a lot of time. Okay, is it okay? Or if you want to copy it, copy it. It's your choice. Copy it, no problem. Karthik, observe చేస్తున్నా నిన్ను. Very good job, Puneet. Nice, do it. Excellent, beautiful. Copy it. Okay, completed. Now I am erasing the board. Okay. Now I am erasing the board. Okay, so now what are the differences between plant cell and animal cells? Wait. Slowly we will complete the syllabus. Okay. Yeah. Wait. Very good. Generally, in animals, prokaryotes are absent. We will see. Wait, please. Now, what are the differences between certain number of differences? Plant cell, so here the morphology of all eukaryotic cells is not of one type. So morphologically, different types of eukaryotic cells are present. Okay, so what about the basic difference between animal cells and plant cells? Basic differences. Okay. Generally, first statement, and the first statement is well known to you. Yes, somebody already answered that. Cell walls are present. Generally, most of the plant cells are with cell walls. Statement 1, with cell walls. Plant cells are with cell walls. Cell walls are present. Whatever the type of cell wall material, overall, whether they are having cell wall or not, overall cell walls are present. So, cell wall is a outermost boundary of plant cells. Here, no cell wall. Generally, no cell wall. Next, second statement. Generally, they are with plastids. With plastids. What are they? For example, here I am giving one example, that is chloroplast, a type of plastid, chloroplast, photosynthetic cell organelle, chloroplast, and one more I will give you, leucoplast, and chromoplast, colored plastids. Okay, so plant cells are generally with plastids. Best example, well known to you, chloroplast. But what about in the case of animal cells? They are absent. Okay, next, third one, vacuoles. Vacuoles present. Okay, what is vacuole? Dustbin. Don't write dustbin. Yeah, I will tell you. Don't worry, please. Leuco, white colored or colorless plastids. Just remember the word. I will tell you at the time of chloroplast, please. Okay, right? I will tell you. Wait. Just I'm giving differences. After this, we will go back to what about cell wall structure, plasma membrane structure, and what are the. Yeah, I will tell you, please. I will tell you, please. Wait. You should wait, please. After completion of introduction, we will go to each and every structure. What about cell wall, plasma membrane, okay, chloroplast, plastids, mitochondria, detailed description of all parts of eukaryotic cell at the time of ultrastructure of plant cell, not now. Just I am introducing the topic. So, no vacuoles. Vacuoles completely absent. Prithviraj. Yeah, you are visible to me. How are you, Prithviraj? Okay. So vacuoles present, vacuoles absent. Okay. Next. Cytoskeleton. In your textbook, cytoskeleton also given. We'll see what is that cytoskeleton. Here, no centrioles. Centriole is one type of cell organelle. Centriole is one type of cell organelle. Okay. Centriole is one type of cell organelle. Here, Centrioles present. Okay, and the fifth one, generally locomotory organs, locomotion, generally absent. See, fifth one here, locomotion means common. Locomotion is common, usually present, commonly present, usually present. Okay, locomotion. Next, nerve system, nerves and nerve system absent. Definitely present. Okay, next, cytoskeleton present. Here also present actually. I will tell you what is cytoskeleton. Cyto cell, skeleton, within the cell a framework is present, which is made up of a number of thread-like structures. Skeleton, for example, what in general, what is a skeleton? A framework that is able to provide mechanical support. Okay. So cytoskeleton is nothing but a framework, a network present inside the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell that is able to provide mechanical support. A number of functions are there, we will see once we go ahead. Okay, so these are a certain number of differences between plant cell, eukaryotic cell, animal cell, eukaryotic cell. Okay, and one more thing you can write in the case of plants, no digestive system. Like that, so many points are there. Digestive system, but here they are with the digestive system. Next, excretory system. Absent, no. But here present. Okay, these are some differences between plant and animal cells. So many are there. Okay, we will see later. Okay, right? Take the screenshot or copy it. You can record it also. Recording permission is given to you. Record and listen. I will send you anyhow. You will get a recorded video of this one. Copy it, please. Copy it and take the screenshot also. Visible? Okay. Now I am going to erase the board. Okay. Okay, now I'm erasing the board. Take the screenshot. Now I'm cleaning the board. Okay. Usually present in most of the animals. Generally, most of the animals are having locomotory organs. Flagella, cilia, legs. We are having legs or not? Human beings, all human beings are with locomotory organs. We are having two locomotory organs. Of course, once upon a time we have four locomotory organs. Monkey. Now reduced to two only. Once upon a time we enjoyed with four legs. Out of four, according to evolution, two converted into hands. So usually in animal cells, locomotion is present. Okay, commonly means usually present in most of the organisms, most of the animals. Okay, clear? Any doubt? No, plants are not having excretory system. Where is the excretory system? Have you observed? Where is the excretory system in plants? Okay, that's why they are having vacuoles. As they are not having excretory system, all waste materials are resolved within the vacuole. Okay, right? Now, what are the parts of a plant cell? Now, I am going to describe about complete details of a plant cell, typical plant cell. Typical plant cell means a plant cell on the base of whose morphology. Simply, by studying that cell, we can understand the characteristics of almost all cells of concerned one. So what about the ultrastructure of a plant cell? After completion of plant cell, I will go to animal cell. First plant cell we have to complete. Okay, right? Here I am taking hexagonal cell. So in your textbook, they explained first of all cell wall, plasma membrane, I think. Plasma membrane. So this is plasma membrane. This green colored one, sorry, blue colored one. Outermost cell wall. Okay. So part wise we will go one by one. First, according to textbook, first plasma membrane I'm taking. So first one, cell membrane. It is also called as plasma membrane, as this membrane is surrounding the protoplasm. Okay, right? Other structures we will see. Now you are questioning me what is vacuole, what is chloroplast. I will explain you one by one. First, boundaries. What are the boundaries? Okay. So first one, cell membrane, and after that one, beyond that one, cell wall. So what about introduction part of cell membrane? Okay. So cell membrane is the living boundary. It is not a dead boundary. So living boundary of all eukaryotic cells, not only plant cell. All organisms are having same type of plasma membrane. Universally, only one type of plasma membrane or cell membrane. So statement one, it is living boundary. Boundary of all cells, not only plant cell. That is a living boundary. Okay, right? Living boundary of all cells. So with the help of a electron microscope, they visualized the ultra structure of a plasma membrane. So according to so-called one, here first given statement is, we'll see functions later. First, what about the structure of a plasma membrane? Okay, right? Living boundary of all cells, not only plant cells. All are having so-called lipoproteinaceous membrane. Okay, so first of all, to understand the organization and structure of a plant cell, actually they studied initially the plasma membrane was first studied in the structure of plasma PM. I am using PM, plasma membrane in erythrocytes, red blood cells. So they studied the structure of a plasma membrane. Was studied by scientists, and that belongs to red blood cells, erythrocytes, red blood cells. Okay, so according to ultrastructure of a so-called erythrocyte plasma membrane, chemically, what about the structure? Chemically, what was that membrane? Okay, so according to that study, chemically, plasma membrane is made up of initially according to first investigation, initial study, chemically plasma membrane is made up of lipids. Actually, plasma membrane, now we are saying that plasma membrane is made up of lipids, proteins, polysaccharides, cholesterol, like that. But initially, during primary study, according to primary study, what about chemically plasma membrane is made up of lipids. Okay, so what is lipid? One type of fat only. Okay, so according to that study, lipids are quasi or semi-fluid. What about the number of lipid layers? How many lipid layers are present? Actually, each lipid is having two parts. I have to discuss that part also. What about the structure of a lipid here? So what about structure of that lipid? Each lipid in the plasma membrane is having two parts. This is a dummy diagram only, not the real diagram given in your textbook, dummy one only. So each lipid is with two parts. Head part and tail part. Head and tail part. This is one lipid. Okay, so actually it is a phospholipid. lipid with a phosphate molecule, phospholipid. So in that phospholipid, two zones are present. Two parts are present, better. Two parts, what are they? What are those two parts? So this is a head part, head. And this one is a tail part, head and tail. Okay, so head is a polar. Polar means charged, with charge. Polar means charged. And this one is a hydrophilic. Hydrophilic means it is able to accept water. Water loving, philic means loving, phobic means hating, like that. Tail part, non-polar, sensitive, non-polar, no charge, no charge. So this one is hydrophobic. Hydrophobic part. Hydrophobic part. Clearly given in your textbook, NCERT textbook or Telugu Academy textbook. Hydrophobic part. Okay. So that is about one lipid molecule. Is it clear? Okay. Next. Within the plasma membrane, head part is outside. Tail part is inside. We will see at the time of construction of plasma membrane. Okay, just listen. Head part is towards outside. Tail part towards inside. Okay, so simply tail part is facing towards inside of the membrane and the head is towards outside. Reason, head is hydrophilic, water loving. Okay, means water is not able to damage this part. What about this one? Hydrophobic, hating, sensitive to water. So water is able to damage tail part. So that's why tail part is inside, head part is outside. We will see alter structure, not now. Wait for some time, please. Simply remember here, in each lipid molecule, what type of lipid? Phospholipid, lipid with phosphate molecule. Head part is polar, charged, hydrophilic, and its arrangement is are oriented towards outside. Reason, it is able to withstand and able to tolerate water molecules or water. Tail part non-polar, hydrophobic, water hating, not able to withstand so-called action of water molecules. So that's why, what about tail part? Tail part is towards inside, arrangement is towards inside. So that is about I have to explain some points also. I will explain at the time of a fluid mosaic model. Wait for some time, please. Okay, so according to first investigation, first research work, plasma membrane is made up of lipids. But after certain period, according to second investigation, second study or further studies, according to further studies, what about the chemistry of a plasma membrane? Not only lipids, along with the lipids, proteins, polysaccharides, and cholesterol. Cholesterol is one type of lipid only. Okay, so like that, plasma membrane is made up of lipids, proteins, polysaccharides, also not only lipids. Okay, is it clear? Today enough. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue. Okay, is it clear? Tomorrow I will explain this part also again. Okay, today enough. Take the screenshot, please. Take the screenshot, please. Copy it. Copy it, please. Today enough. Slowly, slowly, we will increase the time. How many members joined? Are you getting my voice clearly? Yes, thank you. And one more thing, try to purchase a Bluetooth. Bluetooth. You can listen very interestingly, and the voice will be clearly visible, clearly audible. Okay, try to purchase one Bluetooth. Its cost is around 1200. Look into Flipkart or Amazon. You will get 1000 rupees. Its cost is 1000 rupees only. So you can get the voice very easily. Prithviraj, how are you? Okay, take the screenshot, copy it. Wait. పృథ్వీరాజ్ చూస్తున్నా నేను యు ఆర్ విజిబుల్ వీడియోస్ ఆన్ చేయండి అందరూ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ జస్ట్ ఫ్యూ మినిట్స్ విల్ డిస్కస్ పునీత్ జిఎస్ఎన్ హౌ ఆర్ యూ ఎస్ గుడ్ గుడ్ అజయ్ హౌ ఆర్ యూ అజయ్ ఓకే గుడ్ గుడ్ Next, I don't want to unmute you. If I unmute you, will create a lot of disturbance. Malesh. How are you, Malesh? Saket. Bhanu Prakash. Karthik. Karthik. Oh, headphones, earphones. Very good job. Good job. Nice. Srujan. Srujan, how are you? Okay. On the day, etla, I mean, have you reached the synchrony? Okay, okay. Mahesh, no video. Mahesh, what happened? I have to identify you. Vineet. Okay, Vineet. Lakpati. How are you? Good job. Nice, nice people. Enjoying at home. Everything is coming to your home. Academics, everything. Okay, good job. Nice, nice students. Beautiful. Okay, we will meet again tomorrow. Same time, 5 to 6 o'clock, 5 to 6 p.m. Okay, right? I wish you all the best and enjoy at home with your parents and kith and kin. Okay, అప్పుడప్పుడు మమ్మల్ని చూడండి. Only at the time of class. Okay, right? Now I am leaving. Bye. See you. Okay, right. Bye. See you. పునీ రికార్డ్ చేయి, నేను క్లోజ్ చేస్తున్నాను, అయిపోయింది. రికార్డ్ చేసావా? చాట్ విత్ మీ పునీత్ అనా. పునీ రికార్డ్ చేసావా వీడియో? హలో రికార్డింగ్ ఫెచ్ చేసుకోవాలా? నువ్వు ఫెచ్ చేయలేదు కదా?
ఫెచ్ చేసా. ఆస్క్ పర్మిషన్ ఫర్ ద హోస్ట్.
Now it is recording. The mistake. ఇప్పుడు రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది.